In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and integrate Magic Zoom Plus with your Shopify store. Magic Zoom Plus is an app that lets you add a sleek zoom feature to your online store's product images, enhancing customer interaction and boosting sales. Let's dive into the process and make your product images pop. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify admin page. This is the central hub for managing your store, and if you're not already familiar with it, now is a great time to get acquainted. Once you're logged in and on the home page, look over to the bottom left corner. Here you'll find the Settings option. Give it a click and a new page with different options will unfold. Within the settings, find the Apps and Sales Channels menu and click on it. This section is where you manage integrations for additional functionality. Search for the Shopify App Store button, which will take you directly to the App Marketplace. The App Store is packed with tools designed to help you customize and optimize your store, so it's a good idea to explore other apps at your leisure. Now, in the App Store, use the search bar at the top to type in Magic Zoom. This should bring up a list of related options. When you find Magic Zoom Plus, click on it. This app specifically enhances product images by adding a smooth zoom feature, making your images more interactive. Once on the Magic Zoom Plus page, you'll see the Install button. Click on Install and follow any on-screen prompts to complete the installation. It's important to note that installing apps modifies your store, so always ensure the app is from a reputable source. With the app installed, let's return to your Shopify admin page and proceed to the Online Store section located on the left menu. In this area, you'll see an option labeled Customize. This is where you can adjust your store's appearance and functionality to include the newly installed app. Within the customization screen, you will come across an option called App Embed. Click on this feature and you'll see a list of installed app integrations for your store. Locate Magic Zoom Plus from the list. Clicking on it will allow you to manage its settings. One key step is to make sure the toggle button beside Magic Zoom Plus is switched on. This action enables the app within your store. It's almost like flipping a switch to turn on the lights. Just one click and the integration is active. Finally, don't forget to save your changes before exiting. Press the Save button to ensure everything is set in place. Congratulations! You've successfully added Magic Zoom Plus to your Shopify store, enhancing the customer experience with captivating image zoom functions.